Welcome, everyone. Today we're diving into the intense showdown between the F-22 Raptor and the S-500 air defense system. Can the stealthy F-22 evade detection by the formidable S-500? Let's find out. The battle between the F-22 Raptor and the S-500 air defense system is a prime example of the continuous conflict between offensive power and defensive resourcefulness in modern warfare. The F-22, the epitome of stealth technology and aerial dominance, goes up against the S-500, a powerful system of radar systems and surface-to-air missiles intended to protect sovereign airspace. The F-22's unparalleled stealth and agility will face off against the S-500's most sophisticated engagement and detection capabilities in this encounter. Let us examine the S-500's ability to identify the F-22 Raptor. Stealth versus detection. It is well known that the F-22 Raptor has a low radar cross-section, which helps it avoid being picked up by adversarial radar systems. The S-500, on the other hand, has sophisticated radar systems that can track and identify targets at a great distance, including stealth aircraft. Speed and maneuverability. The FF-22 can quickly engage and disengage from enemy targets due to its exceptional maneuverability and ability to fly at supersonic speeds without the need for afterburners. The S-500 missiles, on the other hand, pose a serious threat to approaching adversaries due to their fast speed and ability to engage several targets at once. Up to 10 ballistic hypersonic targets, traveling at a speed of 5 kilometers up to a maximum of 7 kilometers, were supposed to be detectable and engageable simultaneously by the S-500. It also aims to destroy spacecraft, other aerial targets traveling faster than Mach 5, and hypersonic cruise missiles. As high as 180-200 kilometers, or 110-120 miles, can be the altitude of a target engaged. It responds in less than 4 seconds, as opposed to less than 10 for the S-400. Offensive capabilities. The F-22 Raptor is equipped with advanced avionics, sensors, and weapons systems, allowing it to conduct air superiority missions, air-to-ground attacks, and intelligence-gathering operations. It can carry a variety of precision-guided munitions and air-to-air missiles to neutralize enemy threats. The S-500, however, is primarily a defensive system designed to protect critical assets, such as military installations, airspace, and population centers, from aerial threats. Range and coverage. The S-500 air defense system has an operational range of up to 600 kilometers and can engage targets at altitudes ranging from a few meters to several tens of km. It can track and engage multiple targets simultaneously, including aircraft, drones, and ballistic missiles. In comparison, the F-22 Raptor has a combat radius of approximately 760 nautical miles and can conduct missions deep into enemy territory while evading detection. Countermeasures and vulnerabilities. The F-22's airframe is deliberately made with angled surfaces, materials that absorb radar, and other stealthy elements that scatter and absorb radar waves, making it harder for radar systems to detect. This reduces the aircraft's radar signature. The F-22 also features to lessen its infrared signature, like internal weapon bays that hide its armaments and emit less heat, making it harder for infrared sensors to detect. The aircraft can modify its flight path and orientation to minimize its radar cross-section and evade detection, thanks to its onboard radar warning receiver, RWR, and electronic warfare, EW suite, which continuously monitor and analyze incoming radar signals. It can conceal its presence from radar systems by utilizing both man-made and natural terrain features. In order to lessen its exposure to enemy radar and improve its chances of avoiding detection, the aircraft can fly at low altitudes or behind mountains, buildings, or other obstacles. Radar systems are less effective and have a harder time accurately tracking the F-22 because of its electronic countermeasures, ECM systems, which can jam or fool radar systems. The F-22 can enter and exit hostile airspace quickly due to its supersonic speed without the need for afterburners. This minimizes its exposure to enemy radar and shortens the window of opportunity for the S-500 to detect and engage it. The F-22 can work with other friendly aircraft, like electronic warfare planes or standoff jammers, in a multi-aircraft engagement scenario to suppress enemy air defenses and open doors for penetration or escape. Even though the F-22 Raptor's stealth technology gives it a big advantage over adversaries in terms of avoiding detection and engagement, it can still be detected and intercepted, especially when up against sophisticated air defense systems like the S-500. When stealth aircraft are flying at specific angles and distances, Their potent radar systems can pick up even minute radar returns. LPI radar modes, which emit radar signals at low power levels and in irregular patterns to lessen the likelihood of enemy detection, may be used by the S-500. With these modes, there is less chance that the S-500 will detect and identify stealth aircraft, allowing it to continue monitoring airspace. The S-500 may use passive detection systems such as infrared sensors and electronic support measures, ESM, in addition to radar, to identify and track aircraft based on their heat signatures and electronic emissions. As previously noted, the F-22 Raptor has the ability to fool or jam radar systems, but the S-500 has strong radars that are very impervious to jamming. In addition to radar to identify and track aircraft based on their heat signatures and electronic emissions, as previously noted, the F-22 Raptor has the ability to fool or jam radar systems, but the S-500 has strong radars that are very impervious to jamming. Even though these systems might not offer exact targeting data, they can still help S-500 operators be more aware of their surroundings overall. The S-500 can engage stealth aircraft using a variety of strategies, including area saturation with multiple missiles, firing in salvos to increase the probability of intercept, and using sophisticated guidance systems to track and engage evasive targets, even if it is unable to detect them with the same degree of certainty as conventional targets. Therefore, the S-500 can still be a real threat to stealth aircraft that are operating nearby, thanks to a combination of cutting-edge radar technology, passive detection systems, and integrated command and control. To summarize, the F-22 Raptor and the S-500 air defense system are two components of the modern warfare system that deal with offensive and defensive roles. The F-22 is superior in speed, stealth, and offensive power, but the S-500 offers strong air defense against aircraft threats, including stealthy ones. A battle between the two would be decided by a number of variables such as tactics, terrain, and the unique strengths of each system. Thanks for joining us as we explored the epic clash between the F-22 Raptor and the S-500 air defense system. Stay tuned for more insights into the ever-changing landscape of modern warfare. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Until next time, stay safe and take care.